Hi everyone, welcome back to RC Pie. I'm two things today. One is very cold, and two is very excited because I've done something that I've wanted to do since I was a small boy. I hope you can see for all this breath. I've bought, let's turn it the right way around, a tank. I've bought a tank. I've always wanted a tank. I'm well excited. It's a Heng. It's a German Tiger 1 tank, so it's got sounds, it's got smoke, it can fire BBs, and it's also got an infrared battle system. I need 2 tanks for that. I can't wait to get it open, get it driven. I'm so excited! Right, here it is, the beauty, the Heng German Tiger 1. I'm just going to get it open. I'm not messing about. Right. So what have we got? Instruction book. An aerial of some description. What's that? That looks like... I think these come with a target. Let's have a look. Yes, some sort of target that you can make stand up. Instruction book, lots of Chinese, but it looks like that's not a bad instruction book showing you how to put accessories on. Okay, then accessories. There we've got the ropes or cables that are always on the side of the Tiger. Bottle of juice for the smoke machine, pack of BBs, ball bullets, that'll be the infrared receiver. I don't know about sender, I'm not sure how the system works, and a box here of tank accessories, so I guess that'll be the driver and other things in there. Let's have a look. Yeah, so the tank commander, not the driver. The driver's underneath, you can see. Decals, some double-sided tape. Okay, cool. Right, lift this off. There it is. Hey, awesome. Nice and big. Let's lift it out if I can. Don't want to break it. Lift that out. I'll lift the transmitter out as well. Grand. So it's 1/16th scale. I think they also do 1/24th scale, but this is 1/16th. So the same scale as the Tamiya, but like a third of the price, or less, probably a quarter of the price of a Tamiya Tiger. Bit of polystyrene there. I mean, it looks great. It looks absolutely great. It looks like there's sticks that need to be inserted into the transmitter. Lots of channels on here. Bullet shooting, machine gun sound. What else have we got? So I think the turret is on one of these sticks, and movement is on the other one. Trims, volume button, smoke button, function 1, function 2. Don't know what those are for, but we will find out. So nice unit, feels decent. I don't know what there is to say about the actual tank. You know, it's got all independent suspension all along. These are plastic tracks. You can get metal tracks, but they're quite a bit more expensive, and the upgraded tanks with the metal tracks and the metal gearboxes can be quite hard to get hold of. So if you see one and you fancy it, jump in there, because if you don't, it will probably be gone before you change your mind. Right, we're going to have to get a few bits together and give it a run. So the battery you get with this tank is this little Li-ion battery, 1800 milliamp hour, 7.4 volt 2S. The door for the battery compartment is an absolute pain because you've got to pull this little section open that's on quite stiff springs to then get the door open. Now what I have found is we can easily stick a big nickel metal hydride battery in there, so that's quite nice for those batteries that you've got lying around. You can still use them in your tank. Now I've just spent a bit of time sticking the accessories on and the stickers, decals, whatever you want to call them. Now these stickers are weird. They come with a really glossy backing. Here's an unused sticker because I don't think we ever had these German flags on the tanks. And they've got a glossy coating. You're supposed to stick them on, rub them, leave them for 15 minutes, then peel them off. But I have not had good luck with that. The crosses seem to be just about stuck. But the numbers, every time I touch them, they're just falling off. You can see that's lifting. So I've read various things. Some people say just throw them in the bin, get some aftermarket ones. Some say they can get them working, but I don't know. If I figure out something for that, I'll let you know. The accessories, like these cables, all the tools on the front here, they're really nicely finished because they're all separately painted. And they really, really add to the overall look of this tank. You have to glue in, all those just pop in. You have to glue in the machine gun barrel there because that was a bit loose. But like these are just clipped on. All the cables and the tools just stick straight into the holes and seem to hold in place fairly well. And there's the little antenna on the end here. Now my turret hatch appears to be mounted incorrectly. It's clearly a two-piece construction there, and they've not lined things up right with these holes. So it would appear, whereas this hatch opens that way, it should hinge this way. So I don't know whether there's anything I can do about that. Don't know whether that was something that was ever varied on these tanks. I might look into it, or I might just say, no one will care. Right, let's give this baby a run. Turn this on at the transmitter, on at the tank. Got flashing lights. They're a bit white, might have to do something with that. And then we've got a lock key here. Rolling. So yes, your left stick is your turret and your cannon. And your right stick is your movement. Right, let's try the smoke. It's the smoke button here. There we go, got smoke. Wow. I'm impressed already. Just for an idea of speed. Pretty quick. Well, there you go. The Heng Tiger 1. Should you get one? Do you like tanks? Do you want a tank? Have you got 150 quid? Then yeah, get one. Now you're going to get a lot of people saying, oh, you should get a Tiger or a Tamiya or, I don't know, some other fancier brand. But how serious are you? You know, if you've always wanted a tank and you think you can qualify spending that money, do it. Why not?
Are you someone that used to make static models and wants another go? You know, you can have a little go at detailing it. Are you someone that just wants to play around with the tank for a change? Well, if that's the case, then this is definitely for you. There's also upgrades that you can do. There's all the time you can spend on doing it up, making it more realistic. If you want to do it, do it. I think it's well worth the money. I think it's a cool piece of kit. I'm really, really glad I got one. I think I'm going to get another so we can do some battles. If you want to see this thing running, there's a link going to appear up there. Click on that and we'll have a look. And if you want to see some of this detailing work and beyond and some upgrades, then stay tuned and we'll get some videos done on those as well. But for now, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you soon on RC Pie.